welcome to another video from ALIYAH Art. I will be putting on Glamnetic lashes today. It's something I've seen all over my social media, maybe because I'm the perfect target market. I've never put fake lashes on ever in my life. I've only got them done last year where like they put the lash extensions inside here. Yeah, I've never put them on ever in my life. And I just thought the idea that they're magnetic and they just like, you just put them on, I think that's ingenious. I will be doing makeup as well. I don't really wear a lot of makeup. Makeup is fun though. I'm an artist, so of course I find makeup fun. Anyway, let's get to it! Alright, so I will begin doing just a little bit of makeup. I won't put too much on. I don't even have foundation. That's how much I wear. I'm all about skincare more, like, that's my thing. Healthy skin is a good canvas, basically. So this is the Fenty Beauty Concealer, number 370. Blend it in. You can tell me if I'm doing this like completely wrong anyway. I probably am, but I do whatever just works for me. Yeah, I think that's about fine. I legit don't know what I'm doing. I guess next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't really do much to them. This is the NYX Professional, what's this called? Brow Pencil, Micro Brow Pencil. There you go. So it's got like mascara on one end and then the pencils on the other. Yeah, I guess that's fine, yeah. And then the other one. Yeah, that looks about okay. Now I'm going to put on some eyeshadow. Okay, so Glossier Skywash eyeshadow in, what's this colour? Coco. I think it's coco. It's liquid eyeshadow. So, this is what I'm going to do first. I am using my art paintbrush to blend this, yeah. Now I'm gonna draw my eyeliner. I know Glamnetic comes with a magnetic eyeliner, but what I can see in the tutorials is that, like, from Glamnetic, basically use the magnetic eyeliner over your wing that you've already drawn. It's for the eyelash. I don't know if you can use it as makeup, but I ain't gonna risk it. This is gonna be like Photoshop layers to me. This is also a NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. I really like NYX. They're cool brand. I'm scared, yo. Okay, that's one. Let's put it on. Let's put it on one eye. I'm scared. How do you open this? How do you open this? How do you open? Oh, okay. This is how it opens. It doesn't slide out. You pinch it underneath here. I'm really bad at opening shit. Pinch it underneath it and you open it. So this is what lucky looks like. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, it comes off so easy. That is dope. That's dope. I don't know what I'm doing. How do you put this on? Oh my god. This is dope. I like the fact that I can use the eyeliner that it came with, this one, just to actually draw on my wing anyway. I didn't know it was black. I actually thought it was like a see-through colour. Oh my god, this is so dope! And wow. One thing I would say is that actually maybe use your eyeliner first to draw on your wing, and then use the Glamnetic eyeliner afterwards, just so you have like a guide. I'm all about guides, aren't I? I say that in my art too. But help yourself, you know? When you take off the eyelash, the magnetic eyeliner comes off a bit, so it kind of pulls off your actual eyeliner too. So it's good to keep your eyeliner on first and then use the Glamnetic eyeliner too. Mistakes are made. Mistakes happen. They're happy little accidents, as Bob Ross would say. Like that. So this is me. This is what I look like. Oh my gosh, who am I? This is amazing. This is such a good idea. I've never put on fake lashes on like in my life because I'm put off by the whole glue concept, and like the idea of putting glue near my eyes. I'm not about that. Who is she? Wow, I'm mind blown. This is just so easy for someone like me who doesn't really wear makeup a lot or who doesn't even know how to apply fake lashes. This is amazing, and they're reusable for 72 times or something like that. You know what? Highly recommend this. This is great. I look just glammed up and ready to go. Like, let me get dressed up. I want to dress up now. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, I didn't know I could look this good. Finishing touch is this Revolution Pout Bomb. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really hope that was informative and helpful. And I have to say, Glamnetic, this is amazing. Keep making more. I will order more. Please come to UK. Please come to UK. This is amazing. I highly recommend this, especially for those who don't really know how to put on fake lashes or who feel a bit shy about it because they don't know what they're doing, like me. Like, comment, subscribe and all that jazz. Or if you don't want to, I ain't forcing you. I hope this was helpful, and yeah, have an awesome day or night wherever you are. Sending lots of love and light. Peace out. Somebody should have told me it would be like this. Be like this. Somebody should have told me I could look like this.